Hello students. Today our topic is create and use template. In this we will learn how can we create a template and how can we use that particular template. Now for this, firstly we have to know about what is template. Template is a document model that you use to create other documents. For example, you can create a template for business reports that has your company's logo on the first page. New documents created from this template will all have your company's logo on the first page. Means, what is template? Template is just a model that we will use to create the other documents. For example, we are using a template for creating the business report. We can also create the logo of the companies and like others. Now, a template is just the predefined format available in the writer. This predefined format is known as the template. In this, there are many predefined templates or designs are available. We just have to insert them into our document and then perform some changes that we want. Now, firstly, for this we have to learn how can we create a template. Just see, for creating the template, just click on file. How for opening the template? How can we open? File, then go to select new, then templates and documents. Then I am creating these templates. Select any template which we want to use. I am selecting this template, then press open. By this way our template will be open. Okay, we can save and perform any changes. You can then edit and save the this document just as would you required in other documents. We can also perform some changes in it. If we perform some changes, then it will become the new document. Then it will become some new document. Now we can save this as a new document. I'm making this. Now it will become new document. See, changes.odt. ODT is the extension of the writer file. Now we will learn how can we use the template. Now how can we create a template? For creating the new template, just click on the file, then go to firstly write any template. Open the new file, write any. I am writing hello world. Now for creating this template, click on file, then template, then save. Then template dialog box will appear. Give the name hello temp. Now press OK. Now by this way our template is created. See, go to file, then select new, then template and documents. See, in template category list our template will be saved. We can use this template in again in another files. Okay, now next is we can also create the template by using the wizards option. See, click on wizard. There are different types of templates are available like letter, facts, agenda. We can use these all. We can use any. And next is updating a document from a changed template. Let's see, if you make any changes to a template and its styles, then the next time when you open a document that was created from the template before the changes, then a confirmation message is displayed. Means if I am creating any one document by using the any particular template and then save and close our document, then next time when I make some changes in the template that we will use in our document, then when I open our document, then some message will appear. Do you want to keep old style template or update the template? Just see in practical example. We are making file these changes. by using the template by my temp. Okay, now I'm closing this file. I'm opening the template. I'm opening the template my temp, because by using that template my temp we will create the new file changes. Now I am opening the file my temp. Then we have to edit the template. Now I am going to remove this highlight. Now I am highlighting with the gray color, and I am changing the text color, that is this, and I am also changing the font size 20. Now save this template. Now open your file, this one, changes.odt. Now when you open this file, then this message will appear. Do you want to keep the update style based formatting according to the modified template, or you want to keep the old style? This will appear. This is the changing the template. Now next is, how can we set a default template? Let's see. When we open the new file, then when we open new file, I am opening just new file, then default page will appear, whose font size is 12 and font type is Times New Roman. We can also set our template as a default. Template means when you open a new file, then this default template, then that particular default template will be open. How can we set? Just click on the file, then click on new, then template, then select the template, and then select organize, then select their template which you want to default. I want this template default, my temp. I want this template as a default. Then go to the commands, then select set as default template. I am not setting this time. When you set this template as a default, then what will happen? When you open the new file, then always this template will be appear as a default template in your writer document. Is it clear? Now next is changing to different template. What is the meaning of changing to different template? Means you might have created a document from a template, and when you want to change it into different template. One of the major advantages of this is we can easy to update the style in more than one document. The steps are, for this, just click on the file and then select new, then template and documents. Then this template and document dialog box will appear. Then select your template, then your template will be appear in new, like this. I am selecting this letter template and my template will appear in new window. Then perform any editing in this, delete any unwanted text from this, then select the source document which you want to change into this template, on which you want to apply the template. Select, open that document on which you want to apply this template. I am selecting this, I am opening this document. Then what will happen? Just press, select all the documents, everything in the document, select all and copy this document and paste it into the this template file. Then format of your file will be changed like this. Our format will be changed. See, this is a document. This is just a simple, means if I want to change my template I want to apply some more template into my document. Then how can I apply? We have to just open that particular template for which particular template which we want into our document. Then we have to just copy our document and paste into that particular template. Then our file will be changed into that particular template. This is the topic of how can we create the template. Now next is creating a template category. How can we create a template category? For this, just click on the setting icon just here the diagram below on the template dialog box. Then just click on the new category from the context menu. Then this pop-up menu bar will be appear. Then just type the name of the new category and then press OK. Then your name template category name will be appear in the category list. You can also delete a template category. Similarly, on delete button, just select your category and then press OK. You can also move a template from one template category to another. For this, just in template dialog box, select your template which you want to move. Then click on the move icon, which is appear at the bottom center of the dialog box. Then in the pop up dialog box, just select the required template and then just click on the OK. With this, your template will be moved to the selected category. This is a topic